How's it going, guys? This is just going to be a quick short video, and I'm just going to analyze this USD yen pair, the minute 15 pair. And this is I just wanted to show you this really good trades that's just happened just yesterday. It was a really good signal, and it's just exactly what the strike trader is developed for. So you can see here, this is where we actually got our signal. So this was all the way back on 7:30 in the morning on the 2nd. And so this is where we would have got our signal. So this is where you would have put your buy entry order, and then you will not take the trade until it actually hits this level. So right here, it went back down. Actually, was hitting off this trend line. This is where we actually drew the trend line. But it actually came down here and hit this trend line and it came back up, and this is when it actually would have triggered. So this is where you would have gotten your trade, this is where you would put your stop loss, and then your take profit would have been around this area here. And so as you can see, it started off really good, then it came back down, again, and then it actually hit. As soon as it hit our take profit, so if you would have had your take profit at the actual 30 pip position, you would have hit it absolutely perfectly. And then what was going on here, which is actually, this is where I actually would have drawn this trend line, and we saw it valid by these 3 points here, almost 4 points as well. And as soon as it broke this level, as soon as it broke this trend line, it just shot all the way back down. So this is where you would have got out. You would have got out somewhere here, somewhere around a 30 pip position. If you're moving your stop loss, you would have had it move to here, so you would have grabbed 15 pips. If you're using that type of strategy with strike, a lot of different areas. A lot of beginner traders with strike will take profit at 30 pips, but you can also move your stop loss as it continues upwards or down. So now we're at a signal where it came down, it broke, and now we're at we're looking like we're going to be at a sell signal. It's still not known yet, and so once we hit 113.028, so 113.028, that's going to be our sell signal. So that's our sell signal for today. So once it hits this position, it looks like we're going down. We'll see here. If it continues to shoot up, this signal will not, this will end up turning back to the upside, and this signal would be invalid. But if it comes down and hits this level, 113.028, that's going to be our sell, and then your stop loss is right here, which is 113.178, and then also your take profit will be 112.728. So this is like we were saying, it goes for 30 pips, and then the stop loss is going to be 15. So that's a 2 reward to 1 risk ratio, which is what this strategy trades. So this is I just wanted to show you this just real quick because I saw this morning. I thought it was perfect because this is exactly what how strike was developed to trade surges of momentum upwards, surges of momentum downwards. So in this position, we're looking to sell in this area. It looks like we're gonna we'll see what happens here. I like for this to level out a little bit more before we continue on the downside, but we'll keep a close eye on this. But it looks like this is going to be a good signal if we continue this downward momentum. All right, guys, that's all for today. Appreciate watching. And if you have any questions for us, just hit us up at info@tradingstrategyguys.com, and we'll be glad to answer any more questions. Thank you.